Nan, babaw ka balin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang ramen house na talaga namang very recommended.
Yeah.
At eto pa,
At the same time, buy one, take one, kahit kailan.
Kailan. Imagine guys, saan kayo nakakakita ng buy one, take one na ramen.
Yes.
So dito lang yan sa Kyoto Ramen. Samahan niyo po kami if you want to know more about this.
So tara, let's go!
Right, that's our friend Rika. And ito naman yung table natin ngayon. So brother, are you excited?
Excited ako lalo na yan sa mga ramen nila. At the same time, yung kanilang rice bowl.
Alright, so let's sit down guys and yeah, talk about the place and the food that they serve us. Right, so again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. And thank you so much Kyoto Ramen for inviting us. So
ang kagandahan dito is their second branch na located dito sa San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
yes, and if you go here guys, you're gonna be greeted with 3 brands actually. So nandito si Sweet Safari, si Lucky Bunny, and of course si Kyoto Ramen. Okay, so
On our table, meron tayo ditong ramen at the same time meron tayong rice bowl. So sa akin yung aka ramen and on the other hand is yung tonkatsu rice bowl. So meron din tayong mga appetizers dito. So meron tayong ebi tempura, meron tayong atomic maki, and yung kanilang gyoza.
alright, so ako naman guys, immediately, so tinikman ko na itong kanilang Sweet Safari. So this is their pink smoosh.
Yes.
You know what, a little bit sinful pero sometimes you really gotta give in.
Yes.
Lalo na ngayon, ang init ng panahon. So talagang bagay na bagay ito.
Yes, at the same time, syempre hindi papahuli yung kanilang tall dark ng Lucky Bunny.
Alright. So I wanna go first with their atomic maki guys. Very unique from the other maki that we are commonly known. Ayan, so ito para siyang coated and fried. Okay? Cheers! Ooh, wow! Yun, so kakaiba nga siya. It's exploding with flavors. At the same time, no, sarap pag kinakain mo yung pagkain, it's still warm.
Yes.
Yan.
So ako naman syempre sisimulan ko rin kanilang ramen. So ang ramen nila, it's buy one, take one, kahit kailan.
Buy
so,
one, take one, kahit kailan.
So meron tayong dalawang category. So meron tayong signature and yung premium. For their signature, it's only 299 pesos. And for their premium, it's 339 pesos.
Right.
Ang sarap. So this is their aka ramen or other term for spicy seafood.
A lot of the testimonies and coming from the recommendation ng mga pumupunta dito, nasisiyan talaga dun sa lasa ng
creamy, at the same time nandun yung kick ng spiciness niya.
Okay, so this one naman I have on my plate. So they call this tonkatsu rice bowl. So in it, of course, meron tayong tonkatsu. So ito naman guys, bagay na bagay ito dun sa mga talagang gustong mabusog sa rice.
Yes. Actually yan, kompleto na eh. Meron ka ng rice, meron ka ng vegetables, at the same time meron ka ng meat.
So another appetizer I wanna try is ito yung kanilang ebi tempura. So let's talk about the landmark. Siguro if you go here, ang pinaka location na hahanapin nyo is actually near refill gas station. Malapit siya sa refill gas station. Parang across lang siya ng Don Ramon subdivision. This is along MacArthur Highway ng San Agustin, City of San Fernando. So yun guys, few minutes later, tingnan nyo naman yung table natin.
Yes.
Wala nang natira. Ayun, so
Kyoto Ramen San Fernando branch is open from 11 a.m. until 10 in the evening. So it is located dito sa may CMP building, Villa Corazon, San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
if you're coming from Angeles City, right side siya.
Yes.
And if you're coming from San Fernando naman, left side siya. So ang pinaka-landmark dito is yung Don Ramon subdivision, just across it. So makikita nyo po yung building dito. So yeah, why not spend a meaningful afternoon merienda with someone na buy one, take one, kahit kailan. And at the same time, you can enjoy yung Lucky Bunny and Sweet Safari dito. So it's a one-stop shop for you to enjoy the food.
Yes, from ramen to sweets and mga refreshments.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and tag along yung friend mo na talagang uhaw na sa ramen, di ba?
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace.
Ingat guys.